Hey everybody, Kevin here, back with another pattern video. What I want you guys to do is check out the videos and see if you have any ornaments that you want to carve, because I'm putting a lot of ornaments. I made a whole series of different ornaments in this video. I have a tree spirit in here. I think I have a bear ornament. But if you watch through the video, you'll see a lot of little ornaments that I'm making. You know, they're Santa drawings. Some of them are just busts. Some of them are, full-size Santas, but they're ornament size. Okay, and I'm kind of getting the itch to carve some of these. I gotta be honest, for Christmas. So I think I'm gonna clear a little bit more space and see if I can get set up for carving, because I'd like to make a couple of these for Christmas myself. Okay, so if you're going through the patterns and you're liking anything, if you're trying anything, definitely let me know. Send me an email. I know Joel had requested a fisherman, and I was talking about, well, you could paint them, you could wood burn them, you could do whatever you want. Okay, and he made a wood burning of it and sent me in an email, the end result, and it looked pretty nice. So good job there, Joel. Thanks for sending the photo. I'm glad to see some people are using the patterns. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get back into carving. I'd like to do a lot of the ornaments for Christmas, or at least a few of them before Christmas. If I can get to it, I'd really like to. So you can get ready for some of those videos coming up soon. And like I said, if you have any ideas or something that you want me to make a pattern out of and we could try that project, be my guest. Put it in the comment section below. I'm trying to set up for carving again, and I'd like to see some of these ornaments carved and painted, and I'd like to see if you guys are actually doing any of them. So like I said, that would be a fun thing. I'd like to see. And I think I have a couple of tree spirits in this one. I have some birdhouses, actually. So if you guys are into making birdhouses, I got some wood spirit patterns for those. I'm going to be putting those in, and I'll probably be deleting a lot of the older ones that we already showed on the videos and putting them in the member section. So every time after I show these in a video, I'll put them, keep them up for a week or two, and then I'll move them all to the member section, so the members have them all there. All right, and we can just keep posting as we go. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the video. This is what I came up with this week. Have fun. See you in a bit. Okay, I told you guys I started making little Santa ornament patterns. This right here is the first one, and I'm actually making these, drawing them so they're carved like the full ornament. This is all out of wood, and including the holder of the string or the hook that you're going to put on top. So I really want to try some of these. I'm making a bunch of them. I think they're really cute, and I think it'll be a nice little series of a bunch of different little Santa ornaments hanging on the tree that are unique and fun to carve. So that's the first one, and let's go to the second one. Here's number 2. This Santa's happy. He's got his fist raised in the air, and again, he's got the whole hook holder on top and everything, and that's exactly how we're going to carve them. We'll have to probably do that with a Dremel, but either way, if you're making them with a knife or a Dremel, he should be a fun little carve, and easy to paint. So that's that one. And this is more of a crazy type Santa ornament. He'd be fun to paint. If you are good with paints, you can make him look really cool. And it's just a big face. There's no neck or body or anything to him, but I think he's going to be a unique, fun carve, and he would definitely be pretty neat to look at on the tree if you had a bunch of these with different expressions and just one big face, and a different expression on them. So I'm going to try and make a bunch of different ones like this. I'll make angry ones also. And this guy right here is a jolly little guy, and I really like this one. I don't know, I might even try to carve this one in a video. I just like his expression. I like the way he's gonna be hanging on the tree. He just looks like a happy carve, and just something that would cheer up everybody when they saw it. And fun little guy on the tree. Again, different, unique, which is what we're going for in these little ornaments here. Here's another nice happy-go-lucky Santa. Out of all these ornaments, I don't really think I have a favorite. They're really fun to make, to draw, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be pretty fun to carve also. I don't know, they kind of make you smile when you see them, so I can just imagine them all carved up and all painted and everything, and I just these guys hanging all over the tree, and somebody coming in your house and just going, wow, where did you get those, you know? And so I'm just going to keep going and seeing how many I can come up with, but I think these are really cute. I think they're going to be a big seller if I can carve a bunch of them before Christmas, so that's what I'm going for. Maybe a dozen or so, I guess. And here, right here is just a torso Santa. All right, again, it's just an ornament, but I mean, you could add legs to this guy and just make a full Santa too, you know, if you'd like. But in this drawing, I'm just making him just the way he is in the picture, right? And he's a little bit more, not goofy, more of a more regal type Santa. But it'd be really nice painted up, and I think it'd make a great addition on the tree with the others. So that's that guy. I have a couple more serious ones like him also. This one and the next one, you'll see in the next one here. And this one right here is another more type serious looking Santa, you know. Like I said, it depends on how you carve him and how you paint him and stuff, but he's not the cutesy type fun ones like in the beginning, you know. They're a little bit more serious looking Santas, a little bit better carved. They're not a little less cartoony, whatever you want to call it, you know. But there's a bunch of these designs that I'm making also, because I want to come up with at least a dozen of them. Now I am going to be doing some animal ones also, and some different ones, but I will have some of these because the idea is to come up with, you know, 12 or so for this year. And this right here is the next one. Like I said, there'll be cutesy ones, there'll be ones with torsos, ones with arms, ones with legs, some that are just heads, some that are busts of Santa Clauses or whatever. Maybe I should do some reindeer also. I don't know, let me know what you think about that idea. But we're going to have some different ones besides just these types of ornaments. And like I said, it doesn't have to all be Santa Clauses. I mean, you can make anything an ornament. I'm going to do a couple animal ornaments. People tend to like bears, so this right here is a nice little bear ornament. And you can make him like a panda or just a regular black bear or brown bear, however you want to paint him. He's holding the big candy cane and wearing a Santa cap. And I'm going to do a couple ornaments like this to throw in also. And we'll have some different things on the tree besides just Santa Claus. So I do have a couple of bears here. This is the first one. The next one, I really like this guy. It's a little bear swinging on a swing, and I can just imagine him, you know, hanging on the tree amidst all the Santa ornaments. And so I'm going to do a couple of those too. I think that's going to be a cute ornament, and that's going to be it for the ornaments for now. But let me show you some of the other things that I've been working on this week. Now this isn't the full pattern, but this right here will give you a decent face. For those of you that like to make birdhouses, I'm going to start doing some birdhouses. Probably not for Christmas, because, you know, they're a lot of work, but this right here is going to be a couple of designs I'm coming up with for faces on birdhouses. And this right here is the first one, so we'll get that in the pattern section up for you, and you guys can experiment with that. The next one is a different one. Now you can make the birdhouse any way you want. All right, I'm just going to give different expressions and different ideas here, and when we do go making a birdhouse, I'll just do the whole project and we'll make that a video. But I'm coming up with a bunch of different faces and ideas for birdhouses, so that's the second one. This is another design, and I'm probably going to have to do a female one also. I want to try and get a couple of female birdhouses too, so they're not all going to have beards and mustaches. You know, I have a couple different ideas for birdhouses, so just kicking the ideas around, showing you guys. And there's another expression. So don't mind the drawing of the birdhouse itself, because like I said, we could do birdhouses a bunch of different ways, but at least you got an expression for one if you're looking for something different. And like I said, even animals and females, for instance, this right here is another idea, which is just a female face in the front of a birdhouse. So we're going to be doing a lot of different things. When I start carving up again and I start going through these projects, you'll see a lot of different stuff, and I am going to be doing a lot of my drawings. And of course we need a wood spirit or a tree spirit, so this one right here, I didn't know what to do with them. I decided maybe I'll stick some squirrels, or the squirrels ain't that great, but you get the idea, if I was going to do a tree spirit. So we'll be doing some wild projects coming down the road when I get carving start it up again, which I'm starting to work on now. And once I get everything all settled down and I have enough room and my dust collector going, we'll start working on some of these projects, whether it's, you know, Christmas or not. We're definitely going to be doing them. So I'm hoping everybody enjoyed this video, and I hope to see everybody in the next one. Make sure you enjoy the patterns while they're up. Save them to computer, whatever you have to do. Okay, and we'll get to carving some of these soon. In the meantime, I hope everyone's getting ready for Santa and having a good holiday season, and I'll see everybody in the next one. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.